to buy stocks in India. So in the previous video we would have discussed many things about the stock exchanges, private to public company migration, like that. Here, if you are willing to buy stocks of some company, then you need to follow these steps before buying the stocks. So first you need to make sure that you have these documents ready-made. So passport size photos, this is not a complex process. PAN card, this is an important mandatory thing that you need to submit to the stockbroker, because using this information only Income Tax Department of India can track your stock buy and sell transactions. And then Aadhar card is becoming mandatory nowadays for every process. So if you don't have Aadhar card, please try to take the Aadhar card from the Aadhar card representatives. And then bank mini statement, this is the bank mini statement. The alternative would be cancelled check. These are the important documents that are needed to open an account in stockbroker. And the second step is you need to choose the best stockbroker for your use case. It varies from person to person. For example, for my use case, the stockbroker would be some X person, and similarly for your use case, the stockbroker would be the same X person, or it can be some Y person. So you need to choose the best stockbroker. So personally, I prefer Zerodha stockbroker because there are n number of benefits in Zerodha. Suppose if you want to buy mutual funds, Zerodha is supporting that via coin. Suppose if you want some leverage for your intraday trading, Zerodha is providing that there are n number of benefits. So I will try to cover those things in a separate video. For now, just consider that I personally prefer Zerodha. It may vary from person to person. For your case, Zerodha would be more preferable, but some person Zerodha won't be the preferred one, like that. So please try to choose the best stockbroker. According to me, Zerodha would be best stockbroker for my use case. It may be the case for many people also. If you want to open account in Zerodha, then you can use my referral link that would be present at the description box of this video. And then open trading account and open Demat account. This is third step, which is the important step before buying stocks in India. So what is a trading account? What is a Demat account? If you want to buy some stocks, or if you want to sell some stock, you need some platform. You need some platform that connects to the stock market. Trading account handles those things. So trading account is a buying and selling platform which connects to the stock market. Suppose if you want to buy or sell stock, then you can use a trading account to buy and sell stock via stock market, which can be either NSE or BSE. And then if you have bought some stocks, you need to hold those stocks in some holder. That would be the Demat account. Demat account is the place where stocks are held in electronic format. So you might have a doubt, so whether stock is a physical paper or it's some document, like that. So nowadays stock has become dematerialized, so it's in electronic format. So you can hold n number of stocks in electronic format in Demat account. And then you need a bank account, because if you want to buy some stock, you need some funds. So that funds would be transferred from the registered bank account to the trading account for transaction. If you are trying to sell some stocks which is in the Demat account, then the respective amount would be credited in your respective bank account. So these are the three important accounts that needed for buying and selling stocks in India. If you want to open account in Zerodha, you can use my referral link that would be present in the description box of this video. So thanks for watching this video.